welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping, or we're looking at the Walmart ad. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbius deals. Yeah, we got a few HART tools that they got on sale, and some of the items we haven't seen at the stores, but they do have them here at the catalog. So we're gonna take a quick look at that. Obviously, we got some food here. We're not gonna go over this because this is a tool channel. So we're just gonna fast forward real quick. Got some dog food and stuff like that. And then we got some vacuums here for the household. And then we have the HART. So it says right here, it says new HART only at Walmart. We got, let's see here. We got a HART 20 volt 3/8 drill for $48.88. Remember guys, this is the really basic one. This is the one that's not brushless. So this is good for only drilling a hole, or you know, you're just doing a small table or something like that, something really simple. If you want to be, if you're gonna be doing more than one DIY project here and there, you're gonna be doing, you know, woodworking and stuff like that, a little bit more stuff, you know, repairing doors and whatnot. I would recommend you guys go with brushless. However, this is gonna work, but the brushless is gonna give you a little bit stronger. It'll be stronger, quicker, and it'll just make it ease on the job. You know, the project. So you got a 20 volts battery system, allows you to integrate batteries on other HART products. It powers out HART 20 volts tools, outdoors, automotive style items. This product comes with the battery and a charger, adjust clutch, 24 torque settings, variable speed trigger, provides control, precise drilling and driving. Compact lightweight design, over molds with micro texture grip. So they do come with rubber grip. This is the 3/8 drill. Like I said, really basic drill there. Oh my bad. And we got the HART 20 volt 6.5 circular saw. Like I said, these are really basic tools, not like a, you know, like a DeWalt or a Makita or Milwaukee. Nothing like that. It's meant for the DIY, or you know, just a regular average person out there. 20 volt lithium charge so this is tool only. And like it says here, battery is sold separately. So this is tool only. So this is for people that are already in the line, people that already have bought that drill and they're just looking to expand it. So high speed cutting with 4,700 RPM. It does have, I believe it does include a blade. It's a thick curved blade. Vacuum attachment fits 1 1/4. So you can connect the vacuum to this. So if you don't want dust going all over your shop or your inside of the home, you can connect the vacuum and vacuum it to 1 7/8. Vacuum hoses, 0 to 56 bevel, allows greater cut capacity for angled cut options up to 2 1/16 depth in cut. Depth in cut is in from here to down here. Included 24 tooth carbide tip. Thin curved blade for fast, easy cuts, depending on material. 5/8 arbor fits most common blades. Guys, anytime you're buying, you're buying something like this, the blade that comes with the saw, usually it's not the best. However, it does cut, you know, it'll give you cuts. But if you want to go easier on the saw, you want to get the most out of your battery, like, you know, longer run time out of your battery, easier on the motor there, you might want to go to a higher level blade. So I recommend you go and get the Diablo ones. It just depends on your preference. You might be able to find another brand here at Walmart, but me personally, I like Diablo blades. Those are the best ones from my point of view, you know, affordable point of view there. So you got the HART 20 volt impact driver, $69.90. So this is a little bit more expensive than the other one. You got a 20 volt battery. System allows you to interchange. Okay, whatever. All right. This product comes with the battery and charger. So it does come with the battery and charger. High speed fastening up to 1,700 pounds torque, variable speed, trigger 0 to 2,500 RPM for faster, more controlled drilling and driving. 1/4 quick connect chuck allows for fast changes. Integrated LED work light for advanced visibility to convenient onboard storage. So it does come with the bit holder back there. That's what they're saying. $69 for that. And then right here at the bottom, you got a HART 20-volt rotary tool. So this is for mostly like sanding and just working, pretty much. It says variable speed, 5,000 to 34,000. Okay, 33 accessories included. So we got some accessories with it. So $69. Next thing we have, let's see here. Have the HART 20-volt hybrid combo kit. So this combo kit, guys, I don't know if you guys seen my videos when I look at the store. Feel free to check them out. So just put HART Tools tool header 147. You'll see those videos. These are hybrid tools. What they mean is that you can actually connect a battery and you can actually connect an extension cord. So that's what it means about hybrid. You can connect both of them. It says 20-volt powered system allows to interchange battery on other automotive styles. This product comes with the battery and a charger, so it does come with the battery and a charger. This is auto feed, adjustable 10 to 12 inches cutting for quick, easy trimming. 0.065 line and spool. Hybrid technology with the hard or extension cord. So that's what I said earlier. Power blower up to 170 miles per hour. Ideal for small, medium-sized yards. So yeah, for a smaller yard, this should be fine. If you got a bigger yard, this might work for you because you still got an extension cord, but you're gonna need a few more batteries. If you got a bigger yard, a medium or a bigger yard, would definitely recommend at least 2 batteries. One battery in the tool, another battery in the charger, and vice versa. So you got HART 20-volt hand vacuum, $29.76. Not a bad looking little vacuum here. 20-volt lithium sold, charger and battery sold separately. Easy access. So it's just a basic, which is easy dry cleanup. All right. So fairly inexpensive. And then you got an inflator. So if you guys are familiar with Ryobi tools, this is pretty much the same as the Ryobi. It looks just about the same. Maybe a little upgraded here on the digital. HART tool inflator, $29.88. 0 to 150 psi, attached 20-inch holes. So there you got a nice inflator there to check your tire pressure on your vehicle. Still go. This thing went down. It looks like it needs to go down more. I guess that's the way it is. So here you got HART 40-volt 24-inch edge trimmer. It says product comes with the battery and the charger, so it does come with the battery and charger. 1-inch cut capacity, trim all angles 180 degrees, rotary handle. So you can rotate this way, and if you gotta do like a angle cut there. Limit 5-year warranty. Every HART tool comes works with. Okay. So this is the 40 volts. Just remember, guys, this is the 40 volts and this is the 20 volt system. So these are two different systems. If you're gonna be doing a lot of yard work and stuff like that, would recommend something like this, or bigger yards, medium to big, something like that. If you have small yards, or if you just want the drill and the circular saw, we'll go 20 volt, obviously. Here you got this is the 300 CFM axial blower. 154. It does come with the battery and charger. 180 CFM, 120 miles per hour. Limited 5-year warranty. And then you have the string trimmer. It's a 15-inch. It's an easy load, bump feed, head. Does this come with well, it does say it comes with the easy load. Hopefully that's the one that you just turn around that way. You feed the line halfway through, and then you just go that way. I gotta check it out. I'm not sure about that easy load thing. Hopefully it's the one that I'm talking about. And then you got the mower. This is a mower. I haven't seen it before at the stores. However, I want to look at it because I'm actually in the market for a mower. I want to basically move my gas to battery powered mower. It says include a 5 amp hour battery. It doesn't tell you any specifics. All it tells you it does include a battery. It doesn't even tell you if it includes a charger. Maybe this is just a new product. Oh, it says valid 15 to March 26. Well, no, not really. It should be already a product. It says event disagreement between circulars. Okay. So this looks like the mower. It looks like this is where you change the height. You got a nice clear case where the battery goes in there. You might have some side discharge on this side. You got a bag on the back. You got the handle there to start it. Just your basic mower. However, the price is really good. If it does include a battery, like it says here, and a charger, I gotta say $287 is not a bad deal. So definitely recommend that. If you guys check it out, make sure it does include a battery and a charger. Because if it does, it's a good deal. I'm just trying to get more information on this thing. Nah, it doesn't tell you anything. It's probably a fairly newer item. It doesn't really tell you. All right, you got auto care. You got some tires here. Douglas all-season tires, $37. And you got some more tires there, a little better, $49. I'm actually on the market for some tires. You guys recommend any of these tires? Let me know. Batteries, pretty decent. Not the best warranty, but yeah, pretty decent. Basic batteries there. Oil changes, yeah. Me personally, I like to do my own oil changes. I don't really trust anybody, you know. That's just my personal preference. You got some cell phones here. We're just looking for some more tools. Okay, that's it. All right, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.